live. Long live the spirit of Sophie to pray. Long live. Long live the spirit of Dorotha Mane. Long live. Long live the spirit of Dorothy Nyembe. Long live. Long live the spirit of Ruth Mompati. Long live. Long live the spirit of Mabwini Matikizela Mandela. Long live. Ngibingelela amadela kufa. Uyazi ukuthi njengoba sinihleli la ningamadela kufa. Ngoba you are one of those people abaye bakhetheka bazikhetha bathi thina siyosilwela isizwe sase-South Africa size sikhululeke ngokuphelele. Yingakho ngithi ningamadela kufa. Uthi umhlabeleli lana namhla Nkosi ngiyamangala uma ngibheka emuva ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe ubuyaphi. Bengicela ukubingelela kuqala before ngoba ngase ngadwela ngiyokhohla nokubingelela. Ngiyabingelela Testi. Ngiyabingelela Nyamazana. Ngiyabingelela Sotsha Nomkhulu. Ngiyabingelela Dororo. Ngithi sibambeni ilizwe likaBuyi. Ngiyabingelele nawe Honorable lapho eceleni kwa DSG Honorable Nsimbi. The new release ufunge ngoLwesithathu. Yesterday uyosimela eParliament. Ngibingelele bonke ubuholi obukhona. Ngibingelele ithi ngiqale ngibingelele umphathi weregion. Mphathi weregion ngiyabingelela Nyamazana. Ngiyabingelela Sotsha Nomkhonto. Ngiyabingelela Delaware. Ngibingelele i-chairperson ye-Women's League. U-chairperson we-Women's League ekululeni ku-region. Bese ngibingelela u-chairperson we-Women's League ku-province yase-Gauteng. Ngibingelela u-deputy wakhe na ngiyawuhleli lapha ngithi sawubona sisi. Ngibingelele ne-additional yabo Nkosi yami senyomane ningixolela engababizanga kodwa ngithi nonke ngokukhethekile ngiyanibingelela. Comrades, angifuni ukuba mude la ngoba ngifuna nidle before introduce uDSG. Ngifuna ukuthi sikhumbule ukuthi sibuyaphi and sibheke ihistory yomkhonto wesizwe. Silande from 1961 ukuthi 1961 when Umkhonto wesizwe was formed kwakwenze njani, kwasekonakele. Yingakho namhlanje iye yavuselelwa lento masibona ukuthi hayi irevolution ithathe enye direction. Sathi hayi ukhona Umkhonto wesizwe wavuswa ngo1961 uma konakala namanje sesingayivusa. Hayi unqamalala wabona kukuhle 2022 njengoba asho uChairperson okungekho right. Sacishe sahlanya singabanye kodwa sanyamezela. Saqala 2017 la saluza khona sathi hayi no ake sizameni futhi. I was paid 2022. We had to singamasotsha we about 5 I was the only woman. Said no sabhethe kahle. Asambeni singakhe. Ke sokuza ubaba ukuthi kahle kahle le esihlalele yini. Because lento ayisekho siyazama ukulwa ngaphakathi kodwa ngaphakathi ngathi kuba worse. Kungaba kanjani ukuthi ke sijampe ke sime ngale ke liwe silwele le organization yethu ANC. ANC is our organization. One day we will take it by power, by force. We are going, it is strategy. We are going to take the ANC by power, by force. Sathaikho. Masifika kuye. Masikhuluma lento wanwayikhanda. Wathi ake nihambeni ngiyocabanga bese niya research. Ukuthi igama kuzoba yini uma nithi nifuna ukuthi sifome i-organization. Ngoba safika kuye sathi you know what, uma ungaphuma ufome i-organization uyaqedile lamasela. Uyaqedile lamasela because wonke umuntu uzolandela wena. And ngoba njalo yaba itsunami iMK. Yaba yenye itsunami wathi hambani. Sahamba wathi ngizonibiza. Nani ngizongitshela masenirithi. Sizohlangana futhi sithi sikahase lento. Hayi sahamba. Masiceda lapho wathi nicheke nokuthi iliphi igama esingalisebenzisa. Thina same time because besine excitement eyokuthi thina manje hayi siyayazi lento siyifunayo. Sathi kuye same time sathi akungcono sithi uMkhonto weSizwe. Waphelele ndingajaha. Hambani ngiyocabanga noresearch. Hayi sahamba. Sabuya. Hayi uthe makathi sengicabanga. Hayi yazi kwaungathi ngaphuma ngefastela. Wathi ke ishiyeni kimi. Hayi sayishiya kuye. Kuthi manje so registerwa ngobani sokumanka because akumelanga ivele. Yes. Hayi kwaba njalo ke yaqhubeka ke lento yaqhubeka injalo underground yaqhubeka kuthe seyisondele wathi thashana amasotsha mchaphesini omunye wabo engathenda ukuthi ngisondele hanga wathinta amasotsha ngathi kunento egijimayo phathila lesa kunento egijimayo but ilaliseni. Hayi wasitshela ukuthi hayi ubize futhi amanye amasotsha ukuthi azoyiconfirma. Abanye bahleli naye bathi hayi baba ye uthatha ama chance yena ngeke izilungile. Hayi wathi baba ikhululekani izolunga lento. Izolunga lento. Wathi sizothola umuntu ozasiregisterela ukuze ingabe exposed. Njengoba salanda uJabulani Khumalo uye wamlanda anyway thina leyazi besingamazi wa introduce wakithi late no September ukuthi hayi ke wazani ke santhini nizombona ke lo muntu. Hayi santhini sambona Jabulani Khumalo was registered organization. Ngifuna ungilandela lona lo mlando ukuthi kahle sazi ukuthi yabona namhlanje sizokwaziswa ukuthi singabobani ukuthi sihleli la fanele each and every individual imember yoMkhonto weSizwe party uzazi ukuthi ungubani and ufunani ulwelani why uMkhonto weSizwe wafonywa. uMkhonto weSizwe awufonyelwanga ukuthi sizoxabana sisodwa sibanga amaphosisi. Sisempini lempi esikuyo ifuna sigqoke siphelele ngokwenyama nangokomoya. When we go forward, siye phambili with that power eyokuthi we are going to liberate the poor masses of this country. Bengicela ukuthi sisahleli la each and every individual azi ukuthi silwela isizwe. It's not about us, it's about the poor people of this country who are suffering day and night, who are sleeping without food in their stomachs, who are sleeping under the bridges. Abalala banganagesi, abalala banganamanzi, days and days. Lana sizolwela ukulwisa ipoverty. Abantu basekhaya bayaswima kwipoverty. Angisakhulumi nge-unemployment, inequality in our country because of land eyathathwa. It's all about land. Uma ngabuya umhlaba siqedile. Uma ngabuya umhlaba wobhokobethu siqedile. Ngoba indaba iqale la umhlaba. Mabawuthatha ezandleni zobhokobethu iqale lapho lendaba. Basithi siorganize ngomhlaba yiwo owalethe poverty. Namhlanje we are suffering as black people. Sishaywa poverty ngendlela eyisimanga. Sishaywa unemployment. We can't work. Ezweni lokhokho bethu eligcwele umnotho ongaka obongasinela sonke. Ngaba lapho noyedwa ohluphekayo. Ama banks aseva certain people. Abantu abamnyama makumele uhambe ebhenki uyofuna iloan. Kuba umzukuzuku. Kodwa umuntu omhlophe ungena 30 minutes uphumile yonke into yakhe ihlangene. Ezweni labokhokho bethu. Lokho ke fanele kuhlale kwisystem zethu ukuthi silwelane, ukuthi why lo mbutho wakhiwe, why unxamalana nombutho awakhile wasilethela ikhaya elifudumele ukuthi thina kumele manje silwele abantwana bethu, silwele izizukulwane zethu. I don't expect anyone amongst us to sell a revolution. That revolution is very, very expensive. Anywhere or angazi ukuthi umcebo ongakanani angeke umejare ngayo, because the revolution fanele ikhulule isizwe generation and generation ezayo emva kwethu. Immediately you start selling i-revolution. Fanele ube nonembeza, unembeza kuthinte ukuthi kahle kahle ngenzani. Because manje ngivalela abantu basekhaya izwe lase South Africa ukuthi likhululeke ngokuphelele. Yingakho umkhonto wesizwe wakhiwe. Angifuni ukwanda kakhulu ngoba ngisazothola ngizilana ngiphethe i-encyclopedia. She is not called for Messiah by mistake. She is not a commissar by mistake. Mina ngikomanda. Mina ngumuntu wesigaba. Uzantshela naye. Umuntu obeka wangigcwalisa isiganga sase-Angola naye. Wangakha ngaba yisotsha. Ngikhuluma ngokonakebule. Onakebule ngicela uphakame bakho. Kahle kuthi wena. Uye umuntu wayesigcwalisa isiganga sonke. Nabo-DSG. Komisa sala. Yibo abantu asafikela kibo basitrainer. Basenza amasotsha. Hey, ayeke ngidwele kakhulu. Kodwa ngiyakusaluda nyamazana and I respect you militarily. Bangitshela ningaboni sengisidudla kanje. I was the fittest woman. Angithi ngikhuluma phambi kwabo angiclaim. I was the fittest woman. Umkhonto wesizwe, we-generation yami. U-instructor wami nguye ongangitshela. Sathi basiqeda i-general course. What hayi. Bebangithatha, hey, yazi. Abokomisa sali bahamba bayokwenza engineering. Yazi lezo zokuthi ukhanda ama-explosives. Uhleli phansi ngama-computer. Bahamba bayoba wokomisa. Mina bengiya training after training. Because of fitness. And ngifuna ukuzibona inside the country man. Ngibona ukuthi ngiyabanjezelwa kahle. Ngifuna inside the country ngishaya ibhulu. Nothing else but ukishaya ibhulu. But uNkulunkulu uhlelo. Ulakhe. I won't tata from pillar to post. Angenza isotsha lamampela. Sonke nabokomisa sali umbona hleli lapha angakokhela ibhomu manje. Ayisayawa endalo. Kodwa ngiyabonga angifuni ukuba mude kakhulu ngoba nesikhathi sambila ngithi sisayodlala nale sports lesi. Seyidapura bathi sports seyidapura. Ngiyabonga bengicela nje ukuthi ngibe mfishane kodwa ngibonile ukuthi sengimude but angibe mfishane njenge height yami. Amandla!